Next up, Lost Girl Part 2. In this, we need to retrieve any clues in the vicinity of the pink tent and pick up a diary that we'll be taking back. So, for this, you'll need to head all the way to the far southeast side of the map, near Blue Lagoon over here, and make your way towards this back end over here where the abandoned shack is. You can either enter through the bushes, which is probably the safest and the best choice to make, though some bots will spot you and alert the entire town. There'll be a few back here. What you need to do is head all the way to the pink tent, which is directly in the center over here, where you may be spotted by some guards on the left or the right. They're all super angry here. Anyways, at this tent, in the bag around the back here, you'll find a tourist's diary sitting right here that you need to pick up and bring back to base. Now, I have heard of these items spawning in slightly different areas for different people, so just look around this general vicinity, but mine was in here. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.